Hey guys, it's Liz at Nava. Today we're here at the LISD 2018 Reverse Job Fair, where we're going to be switching it up and the students are going to be interviewing the employers.
I'm showing off 3 of my programs that I've worked on, a golf game that's not exactly finished, a kind of unprofessional drawing video, and also a rock, paper, scissors script that I made in Python.
For you, why is today important?
Because I've never really had a job, and doing something like this is probably a good way to actually start getting into job searching, and it makes me feel better to know that there are people who are searching me out rather than vice versa.
So, why are you here?
Well, I did the Reverse Job Fair last year, and I actually got a job over the summer, and it was really awesome. So, figured I might as well do it again.
So, what are some of your future plans?
Well, I'm looking for a summer job right now, like I got last year, because yesterday I signed up with the Marine Corps, and they're planning on shipping me out to boot camp sometime around October, maybe a little earlier.
What are you showing the people who come see your stuff?
I'm showing them what I've done for the year, and by showing them what I've done for the year, I show them what I can do in the future and how much I can progress.
So what are your future plans?
I would like to get into a machine shop somewhere and solidify my machining skills and then possibly move towards engineering of some sort.
What are you hoping to get from this experience?
I'm hoping to gain knowledge of interviewing processes and experience on how to interview for jobs.
So what are some things you're showing off to the people coming here?
Right now I'm showing off a app I created. It's basically a book generator. It takes the user's name, their age, and then what genre they like to read. And then in the end, it separates them into a category of books that's good for their genre and age. I think it's been an interesting event. I've gotten to meet a lot of new people, get a lot of experience talking to people and introducing myself.